How to fix notification silence in iMessage. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix notification silence in iMessage. So let's begin. There are actually three steps that I will be teaching you in this tutorial. The first one is to make sure first that your iOS is up to date. So go to settings and then scroll down and look for general and then click on general. Once you're in general, go to software update and then wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, make sure to click on download and install on the latest iOS that you have. And then, if it still doesn't work, what you're going to do is to go to settings and then go to notifications right here. And then scroll down and look for messages. So this is on alphabetical order, so you don't have to worry on searching messages because the order again is on alphabetical. So click on messages and make sure to turn on allow notifications right here. So click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part and make sure that the toggle button is turned into green and not gray. And then, if it still doesn't work, you should now go to the third step, which is go to focus and then go to do not disturb and then make sure to turn off the do not disturb option right here. And also go to focus status and make sure to disable the focus status. So that's it. That's how you can fix notification silence in iMessage. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.